Good morning, and thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tallman. Just to let you know that winter weather advisory continues for our viewing area in southeast Michigan. So that is very interesting stuff. So it is effective still. Winter weather advisory continues for southeast Michigan, except for Saginaw Bay and Midland counties. You are no longer in this advisory once again. The counties that have been excluded from the winter weather advisories are Saginaw County, Bay County, and Midland counties. Okay, moving on. So let's go over the additional accumulating snow totals for Wednesday. Then we'll talk about what's happening tomorrow. So this is what we have. For Bad Axe, 3 to 4 inches. Saginaw, 2 to 3. Flint, 3 to 4. Sandusky, 3 to 4 inches. Port Huron, 3 to 4 inches. Pontiac, 3 to 4 inches. Howell, 3 to 4 inches. Ann Arbor, 3 to 4 inches. Detroit, 3 to 4 inches. Adrian, 3 to 4 inches. And Monroe, 3 to 4 inches of snow. So let's go ahead and, excuse me. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing on a roll. Okay, forecast highlights Wednesday. Snow will fill back in across the area today and persist into this evening. It will peak in intensity and coverage will occur from late morning through the early evening. Additional accumulations of 3 to 4 inches are expected today, with snow totals around 5 inches in some locations across our metropolitan Detroit area and southeast Michigan. So just kind of keep an eye on that one. So you'll have to leave the shovels out. That means everyone's got to leave the shovels out because you're going to need to do some shoveling, that's for sure. Okay. So anyway, we did talk about the 3 to 4 inches of snow expected, and then around 5 inches in some areas, when including an additional burst of snow that occurred late Tuesday evening into early Wednesday. Hold on, I got a notification. Okay, early Wednesday morning. Okay, so for Wednesday night, windy and colder tonight, so it's going to feel colder out and windy today, especially for tonight. You're probably going to hear those winds howling a little bit. Okay, so temperatures will drop into the lower 20s with northwest winds going up to 25 miles per hour or more. The start increase snow rates after 10 a.m. Wednesday. The peak time will be Wednesday afternoon into the early evening. The ending time would be Wednesday at 8 a.m. to midnight. That's when this is supposed to wrap up and get out of here. So the main hazards are going to be hazardous slippery roads, icy roads, and slower traffic. So just be careful if you're going to be out there. Remember to take your time when you're driving. Just slow down for the other person. So once again, there'll be hazardous roads to be concerned about, and traffic is also going to be a problem. So just make sure that you're using a lot of caution today and slow down for the other person. Just play it safe out there and bundle up because it is cold outside. I'll have more up-to-date information throughout the day. And then we'll talk about another, then we're going to talk about another storm system that is also going to bring us another chance for snow. I'm going to talk about that specifically today, so that is the most interesting part of the two. So I'll have that story on the next potential for the snowstorm, and I'll tell you more late this morning. This is Eric Tolman. We'll see you then.